Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. My name is Ihsan. I am a 20-year-old entrepreneur based here in Dubai, and I actually do dropshipping and e-commerce. So after building multiple 6 and 7 figure brands in the past 4 years of my dropshipping journey, today I am finally revealing one of the best methods of doing product research. And this method is something that everyone keeps a secret, but today I am gonna reveal it for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how I find different 5, 6 and even 7 figure products. And that method, ladies and gentlemen, is actually PiPi ads. And you guys already know this, that I'm a very much fan of free product research method, but when it comes to paid methods, PiPi ads is my way to go. So in today's video, I'm gonna dive into the TikTok and Facebook strategy that I use to find winning products for my dropshipping store. As you guys can see, I have PiPi ads loaded up on my home screen, and I'm gonna click on login and log into the PiPi ads. Right over here, we are logged into the PiPi ads, and we have TikTok and Facebook advertisement that we can go through and find winning products through this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the TikTok ads method, which is one of my favorite ways of finding winning products. So right at the top, you guys can see the two platforms, TikTok and Facebook. But first, we're gonna go over TikTok. And right below that, there is different niches that you can select, which I'm gonna select dropshipping, of course. And then there is a few settings that you can tweak around to find the perfect winning product for your store. So I'm gonna jump into each one of these, tell you guys what it is and how I find my winning products through this exact method. Now the first thing is basic, which is actually the e-commerce platform. I always choose Shopify. If it comes to country and region, I always go with United States and Germany as two of the best countries that I go with. I live in Dubai, so sometimes I even choose United Arab Emirates. And then comes the language. In language, I choose Arabic as well as English, and I click on apply. And CTA, which is call to action button, I always choose shop now, which is right over here. I click on apply. And audience, I leave it open just so I can see all of the ranges of products that I could take advantage of. And format, I actually choose video, and as well as in more. Right over here, we have date, guys. The date is something very important that you guys need to tweak around and actually do a little bit of changes in order to find the latest winning product. So in impressions, you guys already see that there is a few suggestions such as low impressions. This low impression gives you the products that are just out in the market. And then we have likes. We can also go with high likes. Of course, if you go low impression, high likes, it means that the product is new in the market and it's very much liked by the people. And then we have period, guys. In period, we choose high day, medium or low day. This is completely up to you guys, but we can go with high day. And then below that comes the date, which we're going to choose in a second. But before that, we're going to jump into the period because it's very important. First of all, starting with the creation date, make sure that you guys choose last 30 days in the creation date, because that's the most important thing to choose in order to find the most winning products. Then comes impression. You guys can choose, of course, high impressions, the product that have the most amount of impressions, as well as likes, of course, the highest amount of liked videos. Then comes comments and shares, which I leave open. I do not touch them, as well as engagement with other stuff that I don't really touch or see any benefits in. Alright, so after playing with the filters, I have chosen as the medium impressions, medium likes, and I have also chosen the last 2 months of videos or advertisements. Now starts the scrolling part. All you would have to do is literally go scroll through this method and find the products that you think would have any kind of potential in being a winning product. Now in my eyes, I already see a few of the winning products that I've taken advantage of. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this last 60 days to last 30 days. Of course, you guys can even choose it manually, the amount of days that you guys would like to choose. So I'm gonna leave it to 30 days and let's see what we can find. So right over here, this is a winning product that we used to actually dropship before, guys. It's a product that went viral and it was called the Portaflix, which I still have in my office, and it's a really sick product. Going lower, guys, this is one more product that I actually dropshipped and it was a winning product. It had a really good margin, and again, just another example of a winning product that we used to dropship. Right over here is a product that could potentially be a winning product. Now this is basically a Barbie set that you guys could probably sell. You know, it's a rug for Barbie, of course, targeting mostly females, and I think the females would love this one. Scrolling downward, we are gonna see there's a few other products that I haven't really seen before. I'm not really sure what this. Okay, it's a power bank with so many different outlets. Okay, that's actually a sick product, and that vape is so small. What? So this is basically the process, going through different videos and seeing if you can find a winning product. This right over here, guys, is another winning product that is currently getting sales, currently doing really good, and it looks amazing, guys. So if you would like to gift it, or if you'd like to get it to someone, and if you see this video, it's a perfect opportunity for you to buy it off. And actually the price is not even that bad. It's $30, but you can get it from AliExpress for $6 only. So it's a perfect product for you to sell. Right over here, one more winning product, guys. You guys already have seen this, but this is a case for the AirPods. Now look at how beautiful and amazing this looks. As soon as you open it, it actually lights up as the green color, or it can even light up as the red color when the charge is low. I think this is a sick product, and it is a winning product that you guys can start taking advantage of right now. Now there's a lot of other female products which of course I cannot show you guys, but you guys can check out the platform for yourself, of course, go through. Alright guys, right over here, in my opinion, one of my favorite products, potentially a winner with low margins, but look how sick this looks. Guys, if I had a cat, I would literally buy this right now. I would literally buy it. So who doesn't want to have a Batman cat? But this is basically the TikTok ads platform, which we saw inside PiPi ads. We're also going to check out the Facebook part, which we're going to jump into right now. Now the Facebook and TikTok ads is almost similar, but of course Facebook has way more different products, variety of different newer products that we can take advantage of. Just right now I saw a product that I actually used to dropship, and this is basically like a coolant as well as speakers. So it's a really sick product, definitely something that you guys can take advantage of. But yeah, let's fix the settings. The first thing is we of course can choose dropshipping, and right over here you guys can see that it says winning products. If you click on that, you will probably see the products that is getting the highest amount of sales currently, and you guys can take advantage of. Now you guys can see that there's a lot of products that, you know, you guys would be thinking, are they really a winner? Now of course, unless you don't test it out, you will never find out. But the reason why these products are looking or doing so good is because of winter. Now winter season is here. A lot of the products that you guys are selling should be based for winter. But once again, I'm gonna choose the countries as well as a few other settings to make sure that I'm finding the product that I think would potentially be a winning product for my store. One more thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna remove all of the countries, and I'm just gonna choose United Arab Emirates just to see what is going viral in my own country, so that I can take advantage of those along with the other people. So right over here, guys, wow, just speaking about it, this is literally a winning product that we used to drop ship, and it had the best margin probably on top of the products that we had, and it's a sick product. Now right over here, one more product that we are gonna check out. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose the dates and a few periods, and as well as a few settings that I would think would help me out in this. And also I'm gonna go United States, a little bit more broad, and hopefully find something interesting. Now as you guys can see, another winter product that I think would do really good, especially these kind of winter products, the hand warmer, the warming jackets, and all of these products, they are sick. They are literally one of the few best options that you guys can start selling. Another winning product is a gym bottle that actually has an iPhone stand with it. Now okay, there's multiple products, but this is what I'm talking about, guys. There's also other sick products like these rings. The rings and jewelry is always doing good, guys. It has no season. It's always something that you guys can take advantage of and start selling. So jewelry is something that I always go with, and I think you guys should even take advantage of. There's other products like these ones right over here that I think would do probably good as well. And right over here, this is I think another version of the winning product that we used to have, which you guys can take advantage of. And this one right over here, guys, the jellyfish lamp, it literally went viral. It's still doing good, and you guys can take advantage of. But yeah, I hope you guys truly like the methods that I just told you guys about. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description. There's a link for PiPi ads that you guys can achieve 20% discount for the offers or the subscriptions that you take advantage of. Make sure you use my code Ihsan20, and all of the information about PiPi Ads is in the description. Take advantage of it while it's here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you find your winning product and get started with your dropshipping journey, and inshallah you'll become successful. And of course, if you have questions about dropshipping being haram or halal, make sure you check out my latest video about that in right over one of these corners. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Ma'as salam.